how to install Piano Pro app, keyboard and songs. So let's just go and install it. Best way to enjoy piano games, your ultimate piano experience on iPhone and iPad. Piano Pro is an Apple app designed to provide a realistic keyboard simulation for music enthusiasts. With several remarkable features, this app offers an unparalleled piano playing experience, intelligent keyboard recognition, diverse sound selection, high precision metronome, and all of these things. And then, yeah, you can, and then you can just test it out. Then there are all the different songs which you can also learn to play here. So yeah, that's basically the idea.